Shashi, do you have any questions for Faisal? Anything you want to throw his way?
Yeah, I do.
All right.
Why do you do this? Like, this is, you have great, I mean, you have a great presentation style and you're off the cuff.
you.
But what's your why?
So my why is I think that a lot of business owners don't know how to run a business. They're good at their craft. They can design something. They can sell something. But they're terrible business owners. And that's where the 5 Ps come into play. They don't understand the importance of the people. They don't understand that they have to have a process in written form, not in their head. They have to understand how they get paid, financials. They have to understand that their product or their service is paramount, and they have to have passion or a purpose behind what they do. Going through so many large corporations that started off just like Joy dropped it and became this huge retailer that's international, they have to start somewhere. So what's their story to become as successful they have? The 5 Ps. So if I can help as many business owners make their business even better than they are right now, then I've done my job.
Oh. So while you've been doing this, have you learned anything that has surprised you?
I was surprised to see how many business owners don't know their financials.
Yeah.
Have no clue their metrics, their key or KPIs. They don't even have it. Because a lot of business owners will ask me for some advice or some help or some tips. And I go, send me your business plan and send me your financials. And they have neither. And I'm like, how do you plan for this?
Yeah.
Hope and prayers. And I'm like, that's not a plan.
No, hope is not a strategy.
Yeah, so that shocks me a lot.